Hello guys, welcome to my channel, King Shake here. So today we are opening packs. My dad bought me 100 packs, but I opened the half. But I got so many good cards. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. But look at this. Okay, now today I'm gonna open this packs. And let's start with the first one. Okay, let's see what's the first one. You guys can see it, but not me. Okay. Yo, bro, I already have him. I already have Zidane, but not the purple color. Okay, cool. He's going there. Okay. There's some good players from Turkey and Romania and Netherlands. Okay, now let's go to the next pack, which is this one. They're all the same. Okay, I wonder who that is. Well, who's that? Let me see. You guys can see, but not me. Oh, that's Kevin De Bruyne. Yo, that's cool. Kevin De Bruyne. Okay. Ferran Torres. And from Ukraine players. And David. And from Arthur Patrick. And then, from Iceland. There's some good packs. I got Kevin De Bruyne in the second pack. Let's go to the next pack, which is this one. Okay, I think it's like a country logo. I know. Oh, never mind. It's from Austria. Junior Adamo. Wait a minute. Junior Adamo. Okay, he's good. And the Wales player. Gilmore, Scotland. I already have him. Max Movic. I already have him. And then, yeah. That was my third pack. And, yeah. The captain from Belgium is Kevin De Bruyne. Okay, let's go to the fourth pack, I think. Yeah. Nobody cares. Oh, Corby. Lyle. Yo, you gotta be kidding me. It is the captain from England. It is England. It is Harry Kane. Bro, I already have Harry Kane. Bro. Bye, Harry Kane. Okay. Mancini is Mancini. From Italy, and I got Timo Werner, so he's going there. Rafael, and then Leandro Trossard, the top two, Belgian player. France, P2, cool. Let's go, guys. What could it be? Star player, a golden card. Golden. It is Coleman. Oh my god. On the Albania, Switzerland, Georgia. Group E. Group E is Belgium, Slovakia, Romanian playoff winner. Yo. Okay, cool. And important. Let's go to the next pack, which is, okay, guys. I don't know which pack is this. Croatia. Guys, this is Croatia. You see it? It's Croatia. So who could it be? I don't know exactly, but who's that? Matteo Kovacic. Bro, okay, Matteo Juranovic. I got Zlatan the legend, but I already have him. Okay, a Turkey player, Serbia player, and Slovenia. Cool, those are some cool packs. Got a legend from there. Okay, let's go to the next pack, which is this one. And guys, guess which country? Guess, guys, which country? Comment down below. If you guys just comment down below if you guys says which one do you guys think? Do you guys think is it Polska or Georgia or Scotland? Comment down below. But I'm gonna reveal the answer in the end of the video. So guys, yeah. Okay, Asensio from Spain, from Bosnia, England. Not gonna talk about that. Go to the trash. Weber, Austria player. Okay, let's go to the next pocket, which is, oh no, yo, Adam from Czechia, the player to watch. And in Finland, Ilkay Gundogan, the captain from Germany. And then a Czechia player, again Belgian player, and D-League that I already have. I got so many. Okay, let's go to the next pack, which is, my God, it is, guys, Polska. So the question from that, it is not Polska. So it is, which one? But I already have him after Polska. So maybe is Georgia or Scotland. But I got Hungary, Turkey, Romania, and Denmark. Okay, let's go to the next pack, which is, let's see. Country is France. He's number 3. And he's Ousmane Dembele. I don't know if I have him. Let me check. Or a Scottish player here. Come on, here. Luxembourg. Dusan Vlahovic. Serbia. And then Estonia. And then Albania. Ousmane Dembele. I'm going to check if I have him. So I got two. But the other one, this one is not fully, but it's almost full. This one, let's see, France. France is 56 to 57. No, I don't have it. But I got Zinedine Zidane. Oof. He's the legend. He's a captain. But who is the captain from France now? I don't know. But I don't have Dembele, so he's going here, right over here where all the stickers are be. Okay, let's go to the next pack, which is the country Turkey, and he's a captain. He's Hakan. Bro, Hakan's the best, bro. Hakan Pau Torres from Spain. Bro, I have this guy 3 times, bro. I think it's from England. Yeah, I knew it. And Harasin from Slovakia. And this guy, France. Let's go to the next pack. Almost. Guys, who could it be? Oh, it's Lamine Yamal. Oh, he's the player to watch. And he is Dominic Switzerland. I don't know. Don't know. It's two players from Netherlands. Oh my god. Yo. Let's go to the next pack. Okay. Yeah, not gonna talk about this. Girls. Yeah. Yeah, Albania player. The group stage is Arda Güler from Real Madrid. Bro, I like Real Madrid. And then Trossard from Belgium. And Konrad Lima. Top 1 from Austria. Okay. Next pack is Slovenia. I have Slovenia. I have Locatelli. I have Jamal Musiala. Wait, let me check if I got Trent Alexander-Arnold. Arnold is 38. 38. No, I don't have Alexander-Arnold. So he's going here. Lukic and Schmeichel. He's the king. Okay, next pack. I think we have like some couple, not so many, but yeah. I think the last one is Kazakhstan. I knew it. Who's there? Bro, who's? Oh, Milan, captain from Slovakia. Yeah, I don't know. Italy. Okay, Ukraine, Georgia, Romania, and Kazakhstan. Knew it. Next pack is it. Oh, guys, after opening some couple packs, I got one golden one, and it's from Slovenia, and it's Benjamin, Spain. Matthäus, the legend, Matthäus. Oh my god, bro, I just needed this guy, but I have Boston Schweinsteiger and Oliver Kahn. I needed just Matthäus. Lotana Matthäus, Turkey, and Belgium, and Austria. This pack was crazy. Yeah, there's a golden sticker, and a Germany legend. Okay, see you guys in a couple packs later. Guys, I needed just this one last legend. Yo! If I just have to get 2 and I got these 2, then I have all the legends from this freaking Euro 2024. Yeah, I'm flexing, bro. I'm flexing. That was not even a couple pack. That was the next pack, bro. See you guys in a couple packs later. Okay, guys, that was a couple packs. I have just 3 more packs. So I'm going to pick this one first. And let's go. And I got first Luka Modric. I knew it. I already have Luka Modric. Donnarumma. Great players. Portugal. And yeah. Who could it be? Who is that? Sergio Milinkovic-Savic. Milinkovic-Savic. Vanya Milinkovic-Savic in France player. Thuram. The last pack. I hope I'm going to get Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, guys. Bismillah. What? Guys, I cannot believe it. Cristiano Ronaldo suing, bro. I cannot believe it. 100 packs, and I already got Gareth Bale. For what do I need Gareth Bale? Oh my God, bro! What the hell? I cannot believe it. Wow. Okay, guys, subscribe and like. And see you guys in the next video.